and they're off. And early lead is taken by Animal Instinct by the rail, Bumblebee on the outside, and Megamax running in third. Owaki, Speed the Firm, and moving up on the inside is Gypsy Gray. The mid-back stretch, Animal Instinct by a length, followed by Bumblebee on the outside in second, and running in third by 2.5 lengths, Mega Max and Owaki. Gypsy Gray moving up on the inside, and is Speed the Firm. And rounding the far turn is still Animal Instinct in the lead, followed by Bumblebee, Mega Max on the outside, and Gypsy Gray moving up on the inside, Owaki. And at the last bend for home is still Animal Instinct in the lead, followed by Bumblebee on the outside, now moving up. And on the farther outside is Mega Max and Gypsy Gray moving up in between horses. At the last bend for home, Mega Max on the outside, Bumblebee and Gypsy Gray, Animal Instinct. Bumblebee, Mega Max on the outside, Gypsy Gray moving up on the inside. Bumblebee and Mega Max on the outside, Gypsy Gray by the rail. It's Mega Max on the outside, followed by Bumblebee by the rail and Gypsy Gray running in third. And Owaki on the farther outside. And finally at the payoff line, it's Mega Max, Bumblebee, Gypsy Gray, Owaki, Speed the Firm, and Animal Instinct.